And people who have chronic conditions and intellectual developmental disabilities are now eligible to receive a COVID-19 vaccine. The state just opened eligibility yesterday. WRTV's Stephanie Wade speaks with the family reacting to this news today.
Well, the texts were flying yesterday afternoon.
Flying in because people with chronic conditions and intellectual and developmental disabilities like cystic fibrosis, muscular dystrophy, severe heart defects, epilepsy, and cerebral palsy, to name a few, are now eligible to receive their COVID-19 vaccine.
You know, the life expectancy is shortened. So a year in proportion to what other people have is a long time. So yeah, I was very, very happy to see that the eligibility was opened up yesterday, but I think it was a little bit late.
Mindy Cameron's 19-year-old son, Christopher, is a freshman at Ball State University and has Duchenne muscular dystrophy.
And he has been pretty much isolated for about 13 months.
While glad her son finally has a chance to get vaccinated, she feels patients with serious respiratory and cardiac health conditions should have been vaccinated before healthy people 50 and older.
They take their health very seriously. There's no one that relishes the years they have like these patients. And just because we were hidden away during the pandemic doesn't mean that we didn't want to get out there. One of my son's favorite activities is dining in restaurants, and we've not been able to do that in over a year.
Now that they are eligible, the process to register is extensive, she says. Health providers have to share their patients' contact information with the state health department to verify they have the diagnosis. Then they wait for the state to notify them they could register and will be sent a link to do so.
The other issue is that because it was open to 50 and up, there's hundreds of thousands of people now in line before patients with neuromuscular disease. So we're looking at mid-April.
As they await their link to register from the state.
I just wish that more consideration was given to this population. I feel like they're marginalized a lot of the time.
Cameron says she and her family are hopeful. The end is near.
We're ready to get back out there.
Stephanie Wade, WRTV.
People with severe asthma or require supplemental oxygen are also eligible. Patients with severe type 1 diabetes who have been hospitalized in the past year can also receive the vaccine, as well as those who have a weakened immune system from a blood or bone marrow transplant, HIV, or other medicines or conditions that involve the immune system.